Hello guys, this is Abhishek and welcome to my channel Abhishek Tech Talk. So in this particular video, we will talk about one another Salesforce developer interview question that is asked in many Salesforce developer interview question 0 to 3 years of experience. So the question is like, what is the best practice to write a trigger? So to write a trigger, we have to keep in our mind many points. First one is we should not write logic in our trigger. We should to use separate class that call as helper class or handler class to write logic of our trigger. Second one is we should not write hard coding IDs directly. We should to first retrieve the record, then only we can use their IDs. Third one, we should to use collection variable to write a trigger like list set map. Okay. Fourth one is we should to handle recursion in our code by using like uh, static variable or static set map. Fifth one is we should not write SQL query or DML operation inside loop. Okay. Sixth one is we should to keep in our mind about governance limits. Like for SQL query, we have only 200 for synchronous, asynchronous, and 100 for synchronous. And for like as DML operation, we have total 150 for synchronous and asynchronous both. And CPU time limit, we have 10 seconds for synchronous and 60 seconds for asynchronous. And apex transition time limit is we have total 10 minutes for synchronous and asynchronous both. And heap size, we have 6 MB for synchronous and 12 MB for asynchronous. So this type of governance which we have to keep in our mind by writing our trigger. And then we should to write bulkified code. Like if we pass a record, then also our trigger should to working fine and properly. And if we pass multiple records or list of records, then also our trigger should to working fine and perfectly without giving any error. Okay. So these are the best practices of trigger. So that is all about today's question. Thank you.